he is.
I'm his business partner. I like talk to him regarding our new project.
Just a moment, please.
Okay.
I'm sorry, Mr. Gazi. Mr. Victor is currently in a meeting. Would you like to leave a message for him?
Yes, please. Tell him that I like to arrange a meeting to discuss the plan of opening a new business location in Banyumas tomorrow at 10 o'clock.
Personally, may I have your contact number so he can reach you back?
Of course, my number is 081234567890.
Let me confirm. Is your number 081234567890?
Yes, that's correct.
Thank you, Mr. Gazi. I'll make sure Mr. gets your message.
Thank you very much, Mr. Rifai.
You're welcome.